Hi, in this video I will show you how to change password on the Instagram. So the process is pretty simple. If you are looking to change your password on the Instagram, simply you have to follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application. Once you will open it, now you have to click on your profile from the right bottom. Once you will click on it, you will see your profile is here. Now you have to click on the three lines on the right top. Once you will tap on it, you will see a screen is pop up on your screen. Now you have to click on the settings from here, and here you will see multiple options. Simply you have to tap on the security, and in the security you will see multiple options. You have to click on the passwords, and in the password you will see three options: current password, and once you will enter the current password, you have to enter the new password, and once you will enter the new password, after that you have to enter the new password again, and after that you have to click on the tick on the right corner. Once you will click on the right corner, your password of the Instagram will be changed. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.